Hello everyone. In this video we will see how to make a calculator in JavaScript. So we know about the calculator. So there is a three functions. First we entered any value. So we need to show our screen. And second one we entered any expression like 1 plus 2. So we need to solve that. And third one clear the function for next entries. So we will see about first function how to display the value. So we need to write our code in HTML. So we need to script. Inside a script we are not connecting any other files, so we cut this. So I'm making a function display. And second function to solve our expression, and third function to clear a screen. So I created three functions. So I have need to make a button like where on click on button, so we need to display and pass value 1. And one more button I take for 2. One click. Now I call function display. And I taken two button 1 and 2, and after that I need to one any any sign like plus minus, so in our first function we need to, when I entered 1 plus 2, so it will display on our screen, and after that we go on our solution. So I will save this and run this. So we entered 1 2, but we need to display 1 plus 2 per screen. So we will see that. So I'm making a text area, and I'm here using any ID. So there I use name result. Now we will see that the output of this code. So we go to the text area. So I entered 1 plus 2, but you are not showing anything in our screen. So now we are making a function to display. So simply we need to take to get element here I have some mistake. Get I taken document.element by ID, and I'm accessing the text area. I'm passing the value result in the text area. So here I taking a temporary variable value plus equal to any values like v. Here I need to any variable v, because in display function we will see that 1 is passing on display function. 1 is the argument of display function. So 1 comes here in v, and initial value is equal to null. So 1 plus value is equal to 1. So it will show on our screen. So we will see that I entered 1, after that plus, after that 2. I am using here plus equal to, because if you want to write 1, after that we want to write like 12, so we can write 1, after that 2. If I remove this sign, so only it will access only 0 to 9 values. Like I am 1, after that plus, so 1 remove, so there is a need to plus sign, plus equal to sign. This variable is store current values, and we add the new values. So this is our display function, and then we call our solve function to solve, like 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, so we need to here I make a button solve. When we click on equal sign, then call the solve function, and we take this value. So here the value, this value document, the result value I put the expression, put in a x variable. Let x, let is a improve in a ES6 instead of variable. So we put the result value in a x and evaluate the value of x. Actually x value is the expression like we put on our input 1 plus 2, that is the x. So x is evaluate like 1 plus 2, so it evaluate by this eval function and put on the y variable. So after that we show this result on screen. So we need to show on screen document dot the evaluate value like y we put on. So this result will access by this input text. So we will see the output 1 plus 2. So we got 3. So this is our calculator. But if you want to clear this, so we need to make a clear function. And if you want to clear or the screen, so we need to only put the value of y is equal to, sorry, we have put only empty string, this like. So we copy this function and here I put the real value y, and I need to call this clear function. So this is our calculator. Main work is finished. So after that I need to work on some, give some CSS style and make a table to represent in a calculator. So I need here call to clear function. So this is complete or calculator function. Like I am enter 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 and I want to clear this. So with the help of C we can clear this. So we need to other functionality like multiplication, my subtraction, and we need to give a better way to represent a calculator. So I am using some HTML and CSS for that. So we will see that. So I am making to, I'm a calculator. So I trying to give a look like a calculator. So using table tag and inside we are tr and td text text, so we can make a calculator with the help of them. So I am working that and I will show you. So here I am using border 1 and call span 3. So we will something look like calculator. So we will more evaluate that. So so in that I put all the values like 4, 5, 6 multiplication, subtraction and all the numbers. Now we will see the output. So this is our calculator, like look like calculator, like we are multiplying, sorry, subtraction 1 minus 2, we got minus 1, we clear that 5. So this is our calculator, but we want to more attractive, so we need to some add some CSS. So we will see that. So here this button is not cover this cell. So we will give the 100% width, so can cover the this cell by this button. And to give a better look, I put a width 100% in the all the buttons. So there is I take a class button in all the button, like now we will see the output. So we got perfect our calculator. So this is our calculator, and thanks for watching.